Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I want to show you this cool little trick that I found for my someday maybe items where I can periodically schedule them as needed. So as you see here, I have opened up TickTick on my desktop, and I usually stay in the 3-day view when I'm on my calendar. But if you notice over here to the right, I have a someday maybe items. And these are items that do not have any dates associated with them because I just don't know when I'm going to do them. But I want them out of my inbox. So I wind up tagging them as someday maybe, as you see here. They don't have any date. And I usually move them into my personal or my other day job or my side hustles, right? But the cool thing about it is with this list over here, if you click on this right here, I can select a filter. And so I created a filter for this tag. So if you're not familiar with filters, let me go over here to the task area. Down here, I have filters set up, and I have this filter set up for my someday maybe tag. But more so than that, when I look at the filter, I have it also set for no date. So it's going to encompass all of my lists, someday maybe, no date, and priority all. But look over here in the advanced section, I don't have anything set for that. So that's basically all this is for that filter. So the cool thing about it is I have all of these over here. So maybe when I'm doing my scheduling here, I can maybe take one of these and drag it over to a open slot that I have now open and drop it in there, right? It's just a real easy way to take care of some of my someday maybes that maybe I don't want to do them yet. Maybe they're not important yet, but maybe now, 2 months later, they are important, and I can slide them into a certain spot on my schedule. Pretty cool, huh? In order to get this someday maybe section here or this list section to open up, all I have to do here is right-click on this calendar icon. And as you see, I just closed the split view. So if you don't have it open yet, right-click and hit Show with Task, and it'll show right here. You can also sort it by list and by date. You can also have it as a common view. And there's a few other items here that you can do, which I won't go into right now, maybe later, but typically I stay on this list. And if you notice, I have it also organized by one-time task or recurring task, one-time task down here. You can set that up however you choose. But I just found it was a little bit easier for me when I am organizing my tasks. So I know, hey, this one-time task actually belongs to my hotel because I put that little emoji right there. This one-time task is just for personal. And so is this recurring task because I don't have no emoji. See, just with these little cool little tricks that I have found to make my life a little bit easier. So anyways, I just wanted to show that to y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.